Today's lesson is Nakshikatha. Today's lesson is Nakshikatha. Learning outcomes. Student will be able to understand, say the answer of the questions, introduce with the art and culture, write the process of making Nakshikatha, complete the sentences. Section A. Look at the picture and answer the question with your partners. What do you see in the picture? ছবিতে তোমরা কি দেখতে পেয়েছো? What is it called? এটাকে কি বলা হয়? Have you seen it before and where? What do we do with it? You can share with your friends and try to make the correct answer of the questions. নকশিকাথা ইন ভিলেজ। গ্রাম পর্যায়ে আমরা নকশিকাথা সম্পর্কে কি জানি সেটা look at the picture and try to guess making নকশিকাথা in the village. Next, making নকশিকাথা in town. How can we make the নকশিকাথা in town? Look at the picture and try to understand. নকশিকাথা, making নকশিকাথা in industrial way. Look at the picture and try to understand. Using নকশিকাথা, how can we use নকশিকাথা in villages, towns and people? Look at the picture and try to understand using নকশিকাথা. I hope all of you are clear watching the pictures. Selling নকশিকাথা in an expensive shop. Look at the picture and see the expensive shop. নকশিকাথা discussion in talk show in BTV. Section C. Now we will discuss section C. Now read the text and do the activities below. While reading, you will find some new words there. Vocabulary. New words in the passage. Artistic. Artistic. Artistics mean font of the fine arts. Pattern. Pattern means a model or a symbol. Indigenous means native. These are the difficult words of the passage. Now, group work. Students and viewer, group work. What is নকশিকাথা? Number 2, why is it popular among the village people? Number 3, how to make it? Now, evaluation. Do you use Nakshikatha? How can you get it? Why did it become popular? At last, dear student, homework. Look at the picture. Write a paragraph on how to make Nakshikatha. Goodbye. See you again the next day. Thank you very much.